Hey, it's Blake Scarlevi with Route 16, and in this video, I'm going to show off a really cool new preview feature for Dataverse, which just came out in preview a couple weeks ago in November, and it allows you the ability to use natural languages within grids of your tables. So if you think about it, you have your views, they're kind of hard coded to certain filters. You can go and edit the filter, but you got to pick like which field you want, what the value, etc. So now we can have the ability to just type in a natural language, like give me the accounts where the name starts with C, or the city is Chicago, etc. And it is will filter your grid of data based on that just natural language as best as it can. So far, I played around with it a little bit, and it's pretty accurate for still being in preview. So it's pretty cool. The first thing you want to do is go to your admin portal, so admin.powerapps.com. You want to go to your environment. I do have the new look turned on here. So if you haven't seen it, that's what this looks like. So from your environment, we want to go to settings, want to go into the product and then the features, and it should be listed in here. Will be off by default because it is preview. So down here, kind of in the middle, natural language, grid, and view search. So it defaults to as it becomes available, which not really sure exactly when they're going to start rolling it out. Could be till when it's GA. Um, but we can do this all users immediately, and that'll roll it out for all your users right away. It is one of those, like, it is preview, but it doesn't really hurt anything, right? The worst that could happen is it just doesn't show you the right filters that you're doing, or maybe it shows you nothing. So it's not really like affecting your data or anything. So um, it's not a should be very low risk if you want to start to use it. But once you turn that on and then save, I believe you got to save this page. Yeah, save down here. Make sure you do that. Then when you go to your environments, uh, so here, let's see, I think I got it filtered already. So when you go to your grid, you have this new uh, box up here that's got the Copilot icon, of course. So try to search in your own words. As you come into here, it gives you some suggestions, which is pretty cool. So here, accounts where address city 1 is Houston or Vegas, so I can just click on that and it'll start to filter. One thing I've noticed, does take, I mean, it doesn't take a super long time, but it does take some time. I don't have that many accounts in here, maybe a few, I don't know, 30,000 accounts sample data. But as you can see here, all the cities are Houston or Vegas. And so then I can come up with my own stuff as well, where name starts with D, hit enter, and we'll see what is also pretty cool. And here you go, 1700 that start with D. It all looks accurate. Um, so one thing that's pretty cool is, from what I've seen, like the uh, it doesn't have to exactly match your attribute, which is pretty cool. So, account name is called account name. I'm just putting name. They can figure it out. That one seems easy enough. But I tried city as well, which seems to work as well. So where's city? Let's see. Is Austin. Let's see if it still works. I tested this a little bit ago. And there we go. All the cities are Austin. So what I thought was cool is about this is, like, the schema name for this field is address one. I believe it's address one underscore city. And the display name is address one colon city. Uh, so it's not an exact match. It's not, I mean, it does have city in the name still. So it's obviously smart enough to detect that, which is pretty cool. because I've definitely seen some issues around that with like Copilot. It seems like a lot of cases you have to be really specific, but for this feature, it seems smart enough. So it's pretty cool to see. This could be something really useful for your users. So I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.